Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which of course you probably are, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Jaime. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below to stick around if you effing with my content, okay? Period. I realized that I did not make an intro to this video, so here is said intro. So just stay tuned, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, baby, and I'll see you in the next one. So y'all, this is the luggage that I got. I will link it down below. That is from the brand Rockland. Bigger than I thought. So that's cool with me. They got 2 wheels. So yeah, I'm happy. But so today is Wednesday. It's like 8:15-ish right now. I just headed out the house to go to the airport to catch my commuter flight to Vegas. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Hopefully I can get on this flight and I'm not sitting at the airport all day. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later on because I'm in my truck. I can barely even hear myself, so I know you can probably barely hear me. I did a twist out last night with just coconut oil and a little bit of Eco Styler gel in the ends, and it's giving. I'm like, wow. Check in with you guys later on when I get settled in the airport. What's going on? Hey guys, so I made it here to Vegas. I got my bags and I went to the bathroom and changed really quick. And then I just came to Luggage to get some food. So I just sat here and ate. I had to let my phone charge, that's why I wasn't vlogging. But yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much hang out here for another hour and a half or so. And then I'm gonna make my way to the hotel because I can't check in until 3. And I don't really just wanna sit outside or so. But I'll check in with you guys when I get to the room. I just need to let my phone charge, but I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I did make it. And yeah. I'm a little stressed out because I had to put $100 deposit down on this room, and I didn't know that. So I had to do a deposit, and then I had to pay my resort fees up front, which they said I'll be able to pay it during at checkout. But so now I only have $18 to last me 2 days, and I have to have money to get. I have to have money to get to the airport, of course. So I don't really know what I'm about to do right now. I'm probably about to just take my uniforms out and iron them out really quick and just honestly chill because I don't know what to do. Like, they don't tell you about this part, that you don't have enough money to do anything. And my apartment might not be my apartment on Friday like I thought. So I'm just very because I don't have enough money, y'all. And I don't have anybody to call and ask to borrow money. If I don't have it, I'm just SOL, basically. So I'm just a little, stressed right now. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I don't even really feel like being on camera. But I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know that I made it in my room okay. And I'll check in with you guys later when I'm doing something or if I figure something out because... yeah, I don't know. So I'm back in the room, and I went. They have Popeyes in a food court at Excalibur, so I got Popeyes. But look at this little bitty ass drink they gave me. What's this? It's okay. So I'm about to just eat and try to relax, try to chill, because I'm just really stressed out. Like, I didn't have enough time at home to do everything that I needed to do. My apartment is up in the air. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat, scroll on TikTok or something, and I'll check in with you guys if I do something. Again, here's the door, and this is what you see when you walk in. So to the left, it's a nice big mirror space. We just have a shower for this one, which is cool. Like I said, I'm only here for 2 days. We have a mirror. Yes. And then we have a closet, you know, with the ironing board, iron, safe, all that good stuff. And I booked a room with 2 beds because it was cheaper. And like I said, I'm not here that long. TV, it does not have a microwave or a refrigerator. Ew. And we have a little desk area. The AC is not ACing for real. But this is my view. You see the Tropicana right here. MGM is over there. The city backdrop. Nice view. Not tripping. Street view. So yeah. Guys, so you can look at what I'm looking at because I really don't feel like being on camera. But I'm walking to McDonald's to get something to eat. It's like a 10-minute walk. I'm walking past the Luxor. And it's so pretty, but it's giving appropriation because what? But yeah. So I'm just walking to McDonald's to get some food because it's cheaper if I walk. And it's still pretty early. It's like 7:30. So I enjoy the scenery. Which is, I think it's just on the other side of Mandalay Bay. So everything in Vegas is walkable, low key. It's just, you got to do it early in the day or late at night because it be hot as shit. But yeah. Yes, I have on the same shirt as yesterday, right here right now. I'm so stressed out because I don't know if we're going to be able to secure the apartment because it seems like we don't have enough money right now. So that means I have to book a hotel until next Wednesday when I'm off reserve, which is more money that could be going towards the apartment. And I'm just frustrated and kind of over it. So I'm in a bad mood, but I'm trying to get my shit together, basically. So that's why I decided to walk. Just walking, you know, it's nice out, make me feel better because I don't know what we're supposed to do about any of this at all. And it's making me feel like I need to give up. Like, I done came this far for what? But I always persevere when it's hard. Hey y'all, so I'm walking back to the hotel. I've just been vibing, looking at the scenery. I did not pick up my phone. So I'm sorry if I'm a terrible vlogger. I'm getting used to it. But yeah. So pretty out here. It's really a nice day. It's about 85 already. I know it's gonna get hot as shit though, so yeah. But yeah, I will check in with you guys when I get back up to the room because honestly my phone be overheating when I be outside, so I don't want like an issue. On my walk, and I told y'all I just checked in with you at the light over here before I had crossed the street, but I seen a few like weird characters, and it's just given very much. You need to pay attention everywhere you go. You cannot be looking down at your phone walking, because that's not safe. And you need to see what's going on, what's tea, where everybody is around you, especially in big cities like Vegas, because it can be so many people in one area, and you, like, if you're not really paying attention, you won't know if you're being followed or anything like that. But yeah, I just wanted to say, hey y'all, so I woke up from my nap, went downstairs and got some Pizza Hut. I'm officially on call. It's 3 o'clock now though. I went on call at 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm probably about to just eat half of this. It came with breadsticks too, so I'm happy about that. We love breadsticks, and of course a drink. But yeah, I'm about to just eat and chill out. I'm not really doing nothing, and I'm still kind of in a funky ass mood, but I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what I'm doing. So num num num. Good morning. I hope you can see me. Okay, there we go. Good morning, guys. I am about to pack up my room because I need to walk to CVS to get money orders so I can go to my apartment, pay for my apartment, and move into my apartment. But I was just checking my schedule, and I got my first trip booked on Saturday. I'm so excited. Is it? Yeah, a 4-day trip. I go from Vegas to Orlando, and I have a layover there. And then I go from Orlando to Miami. Oh, and I have a layover there, okay. And then I go from Miami to Newark to New Orleans, layover in New Orleans, and then New Orleans to LA, and then LA to Vegas. And my trip starts on Saturday. And I'm so excited, and I'm looking at it and I can read that, but I have no idea like what time I'm supposed to be there. Like I don't know. So I'm gonna ask. But anyway, yeah, let me go ahead and do that, and I will check in with you guys when I am on the move. So here at the office, about to fill out the rest of my paperwork and pick up my keys. Sorry for the loud ass AC, but it's okay. But we in here. This is definitely giving upgraded hood apartment, but I don't care. My lease is only 6 months. I need somewhere to crash anyway while I'm here. So yeah, let me show you. Look at the studio apartment. So when you walk in here, to my right is my bags. Is the kitchen, living room, dining room area. So it does have a stove top. It does not have an oven. I am going to buy a shelf. I think I have one that's big enough, but I'm going to do that, and that's where I'll put the microwave. I don't know. I might have to put it over there because the plug is over there. No, it's a plug right there. Boom. So microwave is going to go there for sure. But sink, the garbage disposal works. I love this window up here, so it's giving a lot of natural light in here. Full-size refrigerator, and I do have a balcony. I'm not gonna go out there right now. I'm trying to like cool this place off. And then this is the space. So again, sorry for the AC, but this is where we'll have like the couch and stuff, and we'll probably mount the TV on this side so we can both see it. Like, you'll see what I'm talking about. But it has like this bookcase that's acting as the divider. I took my pants loose, excuse me. But this is the bedroom area, so I can definitely fit like a queen size bed here. And again, it has the shelves. And we have, I'm sorry, it's so ghetto, but y'all, I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. It's been a long day and it ain't even 12 o'clock yet. This is the closet. It got 2 bars up there, but y'all know me, I'm a DIY queen because it has the water heater right there. So yeah, but it does have these giant mirrors, love that. So then this is the sink area for the bathroom, another big mirror and medicine cabinet here. So that's good. And then just the toilet and the shower tub. I'm definitely changing this shower head. I don't know what they thought, but it's cool. I'm definitely gonna do, and it's like tall ceiling, so it makes it feel much bigger. Hold on, tour really quick because today has just been a long day. So honestly, I'm about to order some food and then go from there. But right now I need to eat because I have not ate all day. I've been stressed out trying to get everything this together. So we got everything together. We in here. It's lit. It's fun. It's fine. So yes, child. What? Today has been a fucking day, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet. So, but thank God for coming through for me for this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Showing out in my life every single time. That's why I try not to trip. I try not to stress or worry because I knew that at the end of the day, what's mine is gonna be mine. What's ours is gonna be ours, and there's no reason for me to be stressed out. So yeah. I'm waiting on my lift. I'm about to go ahead and go to Family Dollar to pick up some stuff, and then I will be back here to kind of set up my apartment and everything. So yes. Hey y'all, so I'm coming to end the vlog because I did not record an outro. I went to Family Dollar. I got an air mattress, a cover, a pillow, a few toiletries I needed, and then I came back home. I ordered some food, ate, showered, and went to sleep because I had my first trip the next day, which you guys will be seeing. So make sure you stay tuned, and by hitting that subscribe button down below and clicking that bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you made it all the way to the end. Just know I fucks with you. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned to the next vlog.